Hey everyone in Reno, Nevada, Guillermo here with Summit Auto Detailing, our Reno, Nevada-based ceramic coating and paint correction business. In this video, we're taking care of one of our maintenance clients, their Subaru Impreza. We're doing a basic wash, cleaning the wheels, washing the paint, and making sure that we keep the exterior clean because this car has been ceramic coated. So we are making sure that we get the full lifetime of the ceramic coating by doing a basic routine maintenance wash. As you know, here in Reno, Nevada, we experience lots of extreme weather such as snow, sleet, hail, and all kinds of rain. And right now, in these upcoming months, we're going to get extreme heat. So we're trying to take care of our investment here. Our customer, as soon as she bought the car, she got it ceramic coated. Now, as you can see, the soap and the water are falling off and beading really easily off of the paint. Not only does this make this easier for us as the mobile detailer taking care of your car, it also keeps you at ease knowing that your car will always stay cleaner for longer and have that really nice gloss because of the ceramic coating. Now, if you're in the Reno, Nevada area and you're interested in the ceramic coating or you have any questions, feel free to go down below in the description. You can call, text, or email us, or even go on our website for more information, and we'd love to answer all your guys' questions. Thank you so much, Reno, Nevada, and we hope to hear from you guys.